Positive Quotes Part 9. I hope these quotes about positivity will help you get through anything. Stay inspired. Inspiring inputs. Dwell on the beauty of life. Watch the stars and see yourself running with them. Create explosive confidence. Remember, every champion was once a contender that refused to give up. Wherever you are and whatever you do, be in love. Light tomorrow with today. Keep a smile on your face. Keep a spring in your step. A powerful attitude awakens inner strength, energy, motivation, and initiative. I ask not for a lighter burden, but for broader shoulders. Life has no limitations except the ones you make. Every time you are tempted to react in the same old way, ask if you want to be a prisoner of the past or a pioneer of the future. Every day may not be good, but there is something good in every day. There is always something to be grateful for. If you call a thing bad, you do little. If you call a thing good, you do much. The will to win, the desire to succeed, the urge to reach your full potential. These are the keys that will unlock the door to personal excellence. If opportunity does not knock, build a door. The two most important days in your life are the day you are born and the day you find out why. Miracles happen to those who believe in them. One thing at a time, most important thing first. Start now. Thanks for watching. Please press round button and subscribe.